So hello guys. Probably you're asking where am I now? Nandito po ako ngayon sa Crystal Beach, located in Lake Erie. So kaya tinawag itong Crystal Beach dahil nung na-discover itong ano na ito, itong beach area, yung lakefront na ito. Napakalinaw daw ng tubig. So weekends every weekend I should say, there's so many people here, majority people from different town here in Niagara, but since it's already also well known in Toronto, so people in Toronto usually come here to to cool down, yun nga. Kasi nga right now it's the end of no, not the end, it's month of July. Oh yeah, July. So it's summer started, so it's a little bit hot, so kaya pumunta kami dito to cool down. So yeah, it live up to its reputation. If you Google it, makita mo na talagang ano, uh, it's clean. The water is really clear. I just came from swimming, and it's really the water is kind of cold, but I have fun. I have fun of swimming, and most especially the water is really clear. So as you can see, sometimes I'm looking at this houses, here, and I can say that they are so. I'm thinking like probably when they bought the houses here, probably still cheaper then, you know. And now we're talking about probably million. And oh, by the way, there's an entrance fee if you go here to Crystal Beach. As I've said, it's in Fort Erie located if you want to come here. So there's an entrance of $5 per head. So, and today is Wednesday, so I know. So we paid. But I heard that because it's a Wednesday, it's weekdays, the good thing is there's not so much people. So, yeah, yun ang kagandahan. Eh, ano, but I come closer to the water because it's really clear, as you can see. Yeah. So, that's my feet. Walking. It's really clear, guys. Yeah, kung makikita niyo yung tubig. Yeah. And since it's Wednesday, it's so weekdays, there's not so much people. And but I heard like pag weekends, talagang ang daming mga there's mga tao, mga locals, to try to cool down. So can't complain really. I'm enjoying it. I even went far away, but the thing is, doon sa dulo, at the far end, it's not really, tawag dito, deep. So, maano siya, actually probably if you could see, like, there's some kind of a line over there, hanggang kita ko at hanggang bewang ko. So, yeah. So, ang maganda dito sa buhangin, puti. No, hindi naman puting-puti. Pero, pino siya. It's fine. The sand is really fine. So yeah, there's a lot of people kayaking as well. So yeah, so we're gonna go here now. You know what I really regret to bring is the umbrella. I could have bring a little bit of like a portable umbrella. Pero hindi na rin masama ang weather kasi kanina, a little bit early in the morning, umulan. So, hanggang ngayon, medyo makulimlim siya. So, okay lang. So, ito yung sand niya. Mapino. So, yeah. Look at this. So, ito kami ngayon. It's good thing. So, what I did is, before we came here, I bought this tarp, and now we told them not to give this seagulls and wild geese some foods, and now they are kind of um, congregating there to ask for foods. Yeah. So, huh. So this is our Crystal Beach, and those are what do you call what do you call this? Baby geese.
I don't know what it's called.
The one like it's ready to attack me. This one
No, they're just asking for food. Oh my
for
God.
food. Yeah, I don't have food. They're not supposed to be here because you know what? They love to leave droppings. You know.
No, because he thought it's a food.
Yeah. See, they already. Hello. Yeah. So this is Karil, a family friend that almost part of our family already, you know. So yeah.
I mo.
No, it's not live. It's recorded because the problem is all of a sudden the connection is bad, so it didn't really give that kind of a good resolution. It's becoming pixelate. See, there's already may mga ano na sila dito, oh. Kaya dapat hindi sila dito kasi mahilig sila mag Oo. Yeah, so guys, it's been a while. I haven't done some vlogging recently, but now I'm back, but not I cannot promise you that it's gonna be often. Probably seldom. Yeah, because I'm busy right now with my new business venture. If you can see, I'm selling stuff from Etsy now, so through print on demand. So yeah, so anyway, guys, thank you for watching. If you made this far, I appreciate it much. So right now, if once again, I'm here in Crystal Beach in Ontario. That's in front of me is the Lake Erie. Okay, so yeah, okay. God bless and see you next time.